Andrew Brady was a guest on the Wright Stuff today, August 9th, but things took a turn for the slightly awkward when presenter Ann Diamond tried to press him for an answer about his relationship status with Caroline Flack. The celebrity Big Brother star got engaged to the Love Island host a few months after they started dating, but the pair released mutual statements in July to confirm that they had called time on their relationship. Advertisement. Continue reading below. But in recent days, the media has taken to speculating about whether or not they may be back together. This was a topic of discussion on the Wright Stuff this morning, but when asked to set the record straight, Andrew stated, "My private life is private and that's what I'd like to keep it as." Really, the former Apprentice star added, relationships can be hardened when they're scrutinized in the public eye. They're somewhat even more troubling. Yeah, I'm keeping my private life private. This clearly wasn't the answer that host Ann had in mind, as she responded, "That means you're not answering my question." Not wavering, Andrew confirmed that he was dodging her question. "And I'm going to keep dodging until 11.15, he said. "Even though I so carefully underlined you are famous now and so is she," Ann tried to press. "Can you really expect your private life to be utterly private?" "I think so, yeah," Brady pushed back. "So that's that, then. Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account."